When we were young, we were fascinated by the planets, the metamorphosis of the butterfly, and the complexity of the human body. Little by little, we realized that science is everywhere, and science is everything. Growing up, I've developed a deeper love and appreciation to these animals. Visiting the zoos, watching documentaries, and encountering animals has made me have a better appreciation to these animals. Needless to say, we're gonna be talking about zoology as my chosen topic for life science. As the name suggests, life science is the study of life on all its forms, past, present, and even future. There is an estimated 8.5 million species on Earth, and only 1.5 million are identified. Zoologists dedicate their lives on studying these animals, how they changed, how they survived, and even how we can benefit from them. Why do you think it is important to study their behavior? Because we live in the same planet. Scientists can get clues from the past, warnings for our future, and wonders for our present. What do you think is the most important recent discovery made by zoologists? Perhaps the most important discovery by a zoologist in our generation would be the bats in the remote cave in Wuhan. See, now I got your attention. This is how zoology affects us humans in our daily life. Oh, so zoologists really play a crucial role in human existence. Like how they found out that spider venom can create medicine. And they're also trying to figure out how axolotls regrow their limbs, and what makes a hagfish slime ultra-stretchable and unbreakable. Amazing! In case you didn't know, zoology creates a huge impact on our world through the scientific study of the evolution, anatomy, physiology, behavior, habitat, and health of humans and animals. By studying animals, we get a better understanding of the world around us. By trying to find answers to our questions, we put ourselves in an incredible position where we can affect, change, or empower the choices for a better world. It is a gift that everyone has the chance to enjoy. It may seem complicated at first, but if you have the love for it, you will understand its complexity.